G'day, Steve here again. This is continuing the live stream I did today on making pasta. We've already got the dough made. Now it's to turn it into something. So please sit back and enjoy making pasta or making spaghetti and linguine actually. See ya. By the way, if you're new to the show and you like it, I'd really appreciate a hit on that subscribe button. Okay. Wet tea towel. This is a great little kitchen trick, not just a workshop trick. We're back into pasta now. Oh, dear, dear. I don't know if I videoed that. That was me making a rolling pin. That's out of Coachwood. Oh, feels nice. Oh, it's a nice one. Nice. There you go. All right, let's see if we can get all cams up so you can have some fun. Which one's that one? That one's that one's that one. Don't need a screwdriver for this. Need a bit of flour. And what I'm going to do is just cut that in half. Yeah, that'll do. Yeah, I bet you haven't got one of those in the kitchen. We'll wrap this one up for the moment. And this one we will turn into sketty. Brian, my kids do that in the house. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, that's a nice one, I can tell by the feel. Yeah, you're right, Julian, we have. Have you ever seen that list? Difference between civilian friends and military friends. And there's, it's about 10 different things. Oh, I'll go here. And the one I really, really love was, there was two captions. One, you, ex-military, sitting in a cell. And your friends are talking to you between the bars going, you shouldn't have done that. That was really irresponsible. I mean, it wasn't appropriate. You should learn, you should know better than that. And then the other one's got the military friends. He's sitting on the bed next to you going, yeah, we shouldn't have done it, but it was fun, eh? Oh, dear, dear, so true, so true. Oh, my rolling pin works. I'm impressed. Yeah, it feels good, Prunella. But I'm going to cheat now because I'm going to use a pasta maker. You could, what you do is you just keep on laminating it, right? Rolling it over and rubbing it together and all that sort of stuff. But I'm going to get, my boys bought me this as a Father's Day present about 6 years ago. It's noisy, but oh, it's awesome. It is absolutely awesome. I love it. Here we go. Pasta maker 101. I've got to make some space here because I'm going long. And when I say long, I mean long. Now let me see how that looks on all cams. And if I'm out, okay, you want me, hang on. Yeah, okay, that'll do there. That'll do there. All right. Here we go. Oh, I better plug it in first, eh? That'll make it work better. Is it going to reach? I don't know if it's going to reach. There we go. What's that one? Don't need that in there. That can come out. That can go there. That can go there. Boom, boom, boom. Well, now I've got to move all the cameras around there. Oh, that's what I've got to do too. Got to go and get a spaghetti tree. I don't know how much it's going to be. Hello, Bob. How much is going to be there? But these are a couple. We made, I think Theo made a really nice one turned. All right. They're spag trees, so. Oh, I've lost one of my limbs. And we will put these. Where are we going to put these? Put one there. Put one there. There you go. Look at that. Okay. So are you ready? Here we go. It's important too to put a little bit of flour between them when you do that, and then they don't get all stuck up and horrible. No, that's not going to work. I'll do that one for a little bit. What was that, 2? Is it 3? Yeah, that's true, Ray. It might be more exercise, but I tell you what, with this you make pasta much more often. I'll do one more, I think. Then we get in what I enjoy, the fun bit. Now there's going to be a drama here, because I need Anthony. So I don't know how I'm going to do it by myself, but I'll give it a try. Okay, now, here comes the fun bit. Now I'm actually squeezing it, and you'll notice it will get bigger. And here's the trick. So there's tricks to everything. Here's the trick that I absolutely love. You stop it there. Right. Bit of water on the back. Slide it up and bring that other flap over, and a little bit of water on that. Just like that. Now, we'll go all cams, because I can't do it any other way. No, we'll go these two, because I can't do it any other way. And here we go. We'll go to this one so you can... Whoops. Very hard to operate cameras and do this at the same time, I'll tell you. Now I've got a gauge in the kitchen when I'm a certain distance from the sink, but I don't have a sink here. So I'll just go by feel. It's about now I call out for Anthony, and he comes in and turns the machine off for me. I'm nearly out of the picture, so I'm going to have to do something quick. Okay. There we go. Woo-hoo! How much fun is that? Now, you can use a knife if you like, or a Japanese saw if you got it to hand. This colour, multi-tool, they're brilliant. You can do all sorts of things with them. Got to get all this out of the way. Okay. Get a knife. And you cut it off into whatever length you want your spag to be, so that's about a nice length there. Pop that over there. If you're making lasagna, these sheets, 6 sheets, will do a good lasagna. And I tell you what, once you have this, you'd never go back to store-bought spag. You saw how easy it is to make. I'll cut that one in half. That's it. Now, Bob's here. He's in for scraps. Now, I want linguine, which I like. So what we'll do, we'll start off with the linguine. And you just put it in there. So if you've got nothing else to do one day, make yourself a spaghetti tree. I'll do some spaghetti next. There we go, this is going to be spaghetti. But it's too thin for what I like, so that's why I don't use it very often. Hey Bob, you want some spag? He'll love this, you watch this, he'll love it. I love the way he chomps that in. I'll give it to him if it... There you go. Here you go, mate. Where are you? Where's your face? There you go. Yeah. He loves that. And it's all good and natural. There you go. Well, I hope you enjoyed that bit. I'll do some ravioli a little bit later on. Oh, no, we might have a go now, I think.